Ever heard of chocolatey? Not the yummy one. Windows package manager that installs application in a single line of code. You heard it right. Application installation without any pop-ups, multiple steps, and without any freeware. You can go right into the application just by executing a single line of code, just like you see in the Linux world. I know you're super excited. Let's see how it works. Run the single line command from chocolatey.org. You can find that in get started option and scroll down. Here it is. So run this command, just copy it and execute them using PowerShell. Remember to run it in the administrator mode. Yes, and here you go. So just execute this command. Voila, chocolatey is installed. So now let's install application. One fine example. If you are a developer, DevOps, you have to go through 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to install Kubernetes client. Instead of that, you can just run choco install Kubernetes CLI. So I'll show you another example. So if you are installing a Zoom client for meeting, so you just copy this code and open PowerShell, execute the command, add -y to it, and you see it is installing. So no multiple steps, downloading and stuff. It takes care of everything. Simple and easy. Follow me for more.